Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, Sunday dinner coming up. Sunday, probably when you get this video. And I did this 12 bean, 15 bean before y'all, but I didn't do it in the soup version. And a friend, a neighbor of mine said, why you don't do the 15 bean in the soup version? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this 15 bean. You know, you get this in the store, the 15 bean, and it say soup, but I didn't do it in the virgin soup before. I did like beans and just no juice. So today I'm doing the soup version, y'all. And we'll do it in the Instant Pot. It's gonna take 1 hour. 1 hour inside. What soup you know? Bean soup take 1 hour, y'all, with some smoked ham hocks. So I got me some smoked ham hocks here, y'all. I got the 15 bean right here. I didn't count them, see how many different beans it is, but it's 15 in there. Let me see if it say the type of beans on here, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let's see here. Does it say what kind of beans in it? Yeah, here we go. I'm going to tell y'all all the beans is in here. You got the Great Northern bean, pinto bean, Lord's lima bean, yellow eye bean, garbanzo bean, baby lima, green split pea, kidney bean, cranberry bean, small white bean, pink bean, small red bean, yellow split pea, lentil, navy, white kidney, black bean. All of them in there, y'all. All those beans in there together. So I didn't pick through it and see, but I have to trust it. So I got that. I got some diced white onion. You can put bell peppers and celery if you want to. I just gonna put white onion. A little kosher salt. I got chicken base here. I got a little chili powder. I'm gonna put some crushed tomatoes in there. And they got a little packet here that come with it. I'm gonna throw that in the ham flavor. I'm gonna throw that in there. We're gonna put it all in the Instant Pot, set it on high pressure, 60 minutes. I'm gonna fill it all the way up with water, more water than I normally put because I want a soup version when it's done. So anyway, let me get everything moved out of the way and put my Instant Pot here. We're gonna put everything in the Instant Pot, set it for 60 minutes. I'm going to sleep, y'all. I'll wake up in about an hour and a half. I'm gonna let it slow release and I'll be ready to eat. How easy is that? You can make soup, go to sleep, go to town, go do what you wanna do, go to church, set it before you go to church, come back. You got soup on the table. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. Let's put this bad boy together. It's so easy, y'all. Easy peasy. The hardest part is getting everything in the pot. Other than that, we good to go. All right, y'all. It doesn't matter what you put first, y'all. We're going to stir all this. I'm going to put the meat last, but we're going to stir all this up. All this, we're going to stir all up together. Put all this in here together. Stir it up. So it doesn't matter what you put first or what you put last. Put water in there, get some more going. Open up my crushed tomatoes here, throw them in there. Like I say, y'all, you put whatever you want in here. Crushed tomatoes in there. My mama would do, slosh that around in there, get all that out of there. Move this around here, kind of break up that stock. I'll put this ham stock in there too as well, y'all. Throw this ham stock in there. Put that in there. It's gonna be good and seasoned, ain't it? Definitely gonna be good and seasoned. Y'all probably can't see. Chef Jeff, we can't see nothing you doing. Can't see nothing I'm doing. Let me get in y'all way one more time here. Okay, got all that mixed up in there. Now we're gonna throw them ham hocks in there. Put them bad boys in there. Let them go in. And I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be a soup. It's gonna be a soup. So I need lots of liquid. Okay. Get this thing plugged up here in the back. Y'all already know I love my Instant Pot and my air fryers, y'all. Absolutely love it. Throw the lid on there. Make sure that bad boy is sealed. We going down here where it say, move y'all. Let me move y'all back so y'all can see. On mine say pressure cooker, 1 hour. Go down, make sure that's 1 hour. 59 minutes, 1 hour, right? Start. There we go. There we go, y'all. How easy is that? I'll be back in an hour and a half. I got some cornbread in the freezer. All I got to pull out. I always have cornbread. And it's time to eat, y'all. So we'll be back in about an hour and a half. Old school 15 bean soup, y'all. Made in an hour in Instant Pot. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. 1 hour, 60 minutes. I let it slow release, y'all. Slow release, all that means all the steam should be released out of here. It wasn't, so I gotta release a little bit more until the little button in the back go down. Shouldn't take long. The little button there, though, it dropped down. All right, we'll take this bad boy off. We're gonna see what we have here, y'all. I can see this still bubbling, y'all. Look at this here, y'all. Let me get y'all in here. Let y'all in here. Y'all see this? Now, like I told y'all, this is a soup. It's not gonna be a regular bean. It's gonna be a bean soup, y'all. Look at this, y'all. And let's see. Hold on, y'all. We gotta see if these ham hocks, smoked ham hocks is ready. Oh yeah, you can tell they're ready. Look at that. Can't even pick them up. They're ready, y'all. Smoked ham hocks is ready. Bean soup is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I like to step off here and I'm gonna transfer this to my other pot. Wash this out. Wash this out. Give me a bowl of this. I got some cornbread in the freezer. Y'all look at this. Look at all. Oh my God. Soak that cornbread. Look at them beans in there, y'all. See that? This is 1 hour. Prove to y'all them beans is ready. Look at them beans. They all ready. Look at that. All of them just ready, ready, ready. Look at that. Ready, Freddy. Look at those beans, y'all. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to step off, put this in another pot, get rid of this Instant Pot, and I'm going to come back. We're going to have us a good old bowl of beans and cornbread. Bean soup and cornbread and some smoked ham hocks, y'all. Sunday afternoon after church. Put you to sleep. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Oh, my goodness, y'all. I cannot wait to dig into this. I got me some cornbread. I got me some old school chow chow. And look at this here. 15 bean soup. Look at that, y'all. Got them smoked ham hocks sitting in there, y'all. It don't get no better than this, right? 15 bean soup, cornbread. You don't need nothing else. You don't need nothing else but this. So hold on, y'all. Let me give me a little chow chow. Put on here. A little hot sauce. Hold on. Get a little Louisiana. Y'all put me in a Louisiana hot sauce in there, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I don't want no rice in here. People don't want the rice. I don't want no rice. I got my cornbread. That old school chow chow. Y'all know about that old school chow chow I make. Put a little of that on there. Put me a little cornbread in there. Give me a little cornbread here. Got that little cornbread right there, y'all. See if I can get me a good bite here. Hold on. Put that fork down, Jeffrey. A little cornbread on there, y'all. Give me a good bite. A little chow chow. A little meat. A little of that tender meat there. Oh, yeah. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me here, y'all. Bear with me here. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Going in. Oh, my God, y'all. This is so good. Man. I'm telling y'all, Instant Pot just changed the game of how we cook. Frustrations in the kitchen. People that stop burning up stuff. I mean, people that squash their beans doing something, forget to put some more water in your beans. Raise your hand. I definitely raised mine, because I've done it. But with the Instant Pot, you ain't got to worry about all that. Well, it definitely ain't going to burn up on you. Oh, y'all. Bean and cornbread with some chow chow. Hey, that's all I need right there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Focus, camera. Wow. That's good eating right there. That's Sunday afternoon after church. If your pastor's coming over, you know how you have to feed the pastor and his wife? Y'all remember that. Every week they go to different members. How Pastor White come over, don't want to leave. Wow. That's good eating. I'm gonna close the video out while I can get down here and find being pretty with this food. I'm gonna close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember hashtag 2024? Stop wishing, start doing. Old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school day. Hold on now, let me show y'all before I close out the video. This is what I do with the soup. I just put it over here in another pot, in my Instant Pot, out of my Instant Pot. This is what I do. I just put it in this pot right here. See that? That's what I do to it. And that's good eating, y'all. So anyway, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.